continuing today with this HINDASH palette. I want to do a purple look. So today I will start with the kohl pencil in this brown, really beautiful brown color. I already have a MAC Painterly paint pot on the eyelids and just the tiniest bit. And on the lips I have this lipstick in this rosier color with a little bit of, it looks like that. But this one is like a balmy stain and it's really, really easy going and nice if you just dab it in like I did. And a tiny bit of this Bobbi Brown lip pencil. What is this one? Rum Raisin. So also a little bit like a kind of a dirty rosy tone like that. Well, so we start with this and just smudge it in, like really close to the blondness in my lashes, like that. And I had it on yesterday also in the waterline and it was totally fine, so I'm really happy about that. And it's really easy, it's like a dream to smudge this one in. Look at that. Like, I will also tight line with this one at the same time. Okay, so back to this HINDASH Monochromance palette. And today, turn this. Today I really want to go in with these colors and maybe these also. And maybe some of these, and you know, but not this one. Yesterday I used this one with these and this. So today I will use these other ones. I think I will start with just a shadow in the, you know, a light shadow in the crease a bit, like that. And yeah, I have my hair extensions in, and I didn't do any flat ironing or anything on the hair, so that's why it's a little bit maybe poofy here, because of course the clips are like pushing it out a bit, even though they're not that thick at all. It's like the really thin ones and then just a few that have a little bit thicker one on top. But of course, since I have so short hair myself, I need to have a lot of hair in there, so you know, yeah, there's a lot of somebody's hair on me now, right now. Well, so I will go from this brush to a little bit more of a, let's say, a packing kind of brush. And now I will take the lighter part of this gorgeous color here. Did I go to another color already? No. So this one. And I saw yesterday the new, oh, it's pretty, a new video that HINDASH put up with these colors, and it was on darker skin. So let's see how this goes. I mean, I'm not gonna go in with the same. Oh, it's so pretty with the brown. And what I forgot from before, that this pencil is the same color like the brown one from the other palette. So I'm gonna, you know, use that brown also, I think, here together with this. So I get exactly the same, because I love this brown, it's really pretty. So I'm gonna use the same brush like I used before and take this peachy color from here. And do this one like up here. Like here a bit. And then it's like, it's asking to have a little bit of the darker one too, right? I don't know, I really like this thing going on here with these colors, with the color combinations here, like that. And then of course I need the darker violet here, or you know, I will go back to the darker side of this purple. And outer corner, and definitely I will use more of the brown kohl pencil for sure. That's gonna happen. One more layer. Oh, it's so pretty. I didn't use purple for such a long time, I feel like. I don't even remember when. Seriously. So I'm patting this on, trying to, make sure that I kind of open all the folds here. And I will probably go back and forth. I'm taking the other side of the brush and taking again the lighter color here, the lighter purple. Going back and forth with these a bit. So now I added a little bit more of the eye kohl just in the outer part, and also here I'm adding this pencil, kohl pencil, just in the outer part. Okay, so it's this brown here, super gorgeous, but I suppose it's exactly the same then. I will take the same brush like I have already the purple on and go, oh yes. Oh, pretty. It's so nice with the purple. I mean, brown and purple, of course, it's nice together. That's why on brown eyes, the purples are like just gorgeous. So I will go over this kohl pencil here and smudge it out a little bit too with another brush, also under the eye, and take it down here too. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So I had to take a small break, and what I did was, I added some Estee Lauder Double Wear, just tiny little bit with a damp sponge, and I should probably not have used the powder I used from Clinique, the loose powder, because I feel like now it looks heavy and makeupy. And it's too pale. Well, I'm gonna use some bronzer. Bronzing powder from Bobbi Brown in medium. Using a fluffier brush. I might want to use another one to bronze it up, but let's see. Because I have so much on my eye now, then my face looks like a bit neglected, I feel. This is a very nice contour slash bronzer, I think. But let's use this one today. I will show you the difference in them. So you would just, if you don't know them, because it's really nice. They're both really nice bronzes. This is Stone Street and this is the medium. I will do this one here. I think I have enough here. Maybe it is better, this one as a contour then. What do we think? I thought I would use this Boy Tears, also from HINDASH. The way I saw him do in the same tutorial like he did on the darker skin, this color, these colors together, kind of similar, but not similar. So we used this one. I'm just putting it on the back of my hand like that. He used it a bit under the eye, and the funny thing I realized with this one, it stays emollient for a long time after you. It's not one of those that dries up and you can't, move it after 2 seconds. So I thought to do it the same way, like under the eye, like a kind of a halo thing. Let's see how that will work on me. Hey, not too bad, huh? Should I kind of dab on it a little bit? Dab it in. Hey, you can have it very subtle. Yesterday when I used it, I kind of got it all over my eyeshadow in the end. It was a bit ridiculous, but I just kept on going with it until it was like, it took everything over. because I wanted to see what it will look like. But that's what I got. What I wanted to show you now, it's really full on my hand like that. And then you can still move it around like this. Look at that. And it feels really smooth. You know? Kind of different to other products, I feel. I'm gonna do like I did yesterday. Yesterday I used the peach here and a little bit of this side. So maybe the peach and a little bit of the pink. I will go into these two. In the lighter side. Both of them. Get the coral something, right? So up here, close to the eye, kind of into the eye, look like that. And I will go over the nose also, kind of here a bit where you would contour maybe, instead of a contour. Oh, there's still left on my brush, I think. So up here, and you know, on the temple, like that, a little bit more in both colors, and up here same, like here, a bit down on the nose here, and here, something like that, that it won't be so white, and you know, it's very pale today. I don't know. I feel really pale in my face. Well, what I was thinking is to use also the other lip color together and a lip pencil that goes like more in a peachy tone. So I used this color in Michelle from Natasha Denona from the basic line. It's a little bit light if you want to have like a little bit of a contour from those HINDASH lip colors together. So I think I want to use a little bit of a darker pencil as well. What would that be then? Ah, this is the other one I used. So I will use this one from MaritMakeupManicure. It's Tulip. So that's Tulip. And then I will just grab the red bone kind of lipstick first. Dab it in. And so that's the peachier color in the middle. Could I just first at least use some of this rosewood from Dior? It's so pretty. This would be nice also to use like maybe for more mature eyes instead of this one, which is kind of out there, but it's pretty. But this one is also really pretty, like really pretty color if you see it over here. Yeah, so I will use some of this, I think, really lightly on the cheeks. Clean up a brush here. So that's the rosewood. Oh, it's a little bit dark, but it's so pretty that I don't care. Plus, even if it's a little bit dark like that, I mean, you don't have to use it really close here if you don't feel like. I will dab it on first and see what it looks like here. Kind of as a topper maybe. Like a bit carefully like that. And maybe then use another highlight, like really for highlighting. The one for just highlighting, this one from Bobbi Brown, is the Pink Glow. This is, I don't know if this one isn't the best highlighter I own for like real highlighting. Like, it's so gorgeous. It has a little bit of the same kind of color in it, but it's lighter, you know. But you can see it's a little bit like the same kind of thing. But this one is a real highlight. So, you know, on maskintaan. Mutta the other one is it. I will still buff it in, I think. This is pretty much. And then go buff it in a bit. Yeah. So this one is really pretty. I could swatch this one of course too. This one is not new or anything. They come out with this one though all the time, like almost every, you see it's kind of nude rosewood as well, or something like this, I think you can call it. And I mix both colors together so that it gets the true color. So that's the Dior, and this is a Bobbi Brown. So you can see it's almost the same, just this one is darker, but the same idea. Here where I put the highlight, so it won't be like a stripy thing completely, at least. Okay, I grabbed one of those cute MAC Fix Plus, and it's definitely good, I think, for everything. Yeah, if nothing else, it feels really good. But I think it also makes it look better, so more melted into the skin, let's say. I'm really happy with this palette. It's the second look I did, and ooh, this Fix Plus makes everything look so much better. Why did I forget to use this? Because I didn't make, you know, I didn't do makeup for so long. I totally forgot how good this product is. Wow. Even for the eyeshadow, look at that. Look how the eyeshadow looks like it's melted into the skin. And it doesn't make it like less at all. On the contrary, it makes it like, it makes it look better. It's better for the skin looks happier and everything. Yay. So, hooray for these products. And this kohl liner. This one is super pretty too. Super pretty. A little bit too much for me. For me, it's too much to put on the cheeks, I feel, but you know. Now it's set, you know? Now it's set. But you can move it around for the longest time. So thanks for watching and enjoy your car.